1. The Black Death, 1347 to 1351. The arrival of the plague. In the mid-14th century, Europe was struck by one of the most devastating pandemics in history, the Black Death. Believed to have originated in the arid plains of Central Asia, the plague traveled along trade routes, reaching Europe in 1347. Carried by fleas living on black rats, the bacterium Yersinia pestis caused the Black Death, which would ultimately decimate nearly a third of the European population. The spread and impact. The documentary explores how the plague spread with terrifying speed, reaching every corner of Europe. Towns and cities were transformed into ghostly landscapes as death toll soared. Contemporary accounts describe scenes of unimaginable horror, bodies piled in the streets, entire families perishing within days, and the desperate measures taken to contain the outbreak. The societal impact was profound, with economic collapse, social unrest, and a pervasive sense of fear and hopelessness. Responses and consequences. Responses to the plague varied. Some turned to religious penitence, believing the plague to be divine punishment, while others resorted to scapegoating, leading to widespread persecution of Jews and other minority groups. The documentary examines these responses and the long-term consequences of the Black Death, including its role in ending the feudal system and altering the course of European history. 2. The Salem Witch Trials, 1692 to 1693. The seeds of hysteria. In the late 17th century, the small Puritan community of Salem, Massachusetts, was gripped by a wave of hysteria that would result in one of the most infamous witch hunts in history. The Salem witch trials began in early 1692 when a group of young girls claimed to be possessed by the devil and accused several local women of witchcraft. The trials and executions. The documentary provides a detailed account of the ensuing trials, where fear and superstition overshadowed reason and justice. Over the course of the trials, more than 200 people were accused of witchcraft, 20 of whom were executed. Through court records, personal letters, and contemporary writings, the documentary reveals the paranoia, social tensions, and religious fervor that fueled the trials. The aftermath and legacy. The Salem witch trials left a lasting legacy on American society. They exposed the dangers of isolationism, religious extremism, and the breakdown of legal principles. The documentary concludes this segment by reflecting on how the trials have been remembered and interpreted over the centuries, serving as a cautionary tale about the perils of mass hysteria and injustice. 3. The Atlantic Slave Trade, 16th–19th century. The origins and mechanisms. The Atlantic slave trade was one of the darkest and most inhumane chapters in human history. Beginning in the 16th century, millions of Africans were forcibly taken from their homelands, transported across the Atlantic Ocean, and sold into slavery in the Americas. The documentary explores the origins of this trade, its economic underpinnings, and the brutal mechanisms that sustained it. The Middle Passage. Central to this segment is the harrowing experience of the Middle Passage, the journey across the Atlantic. Packed into overcrowded ships, enslaved Africans endured unimaginable suffering, with many perishing before reaching their destination. Through survivor narratives, ship logs, and historical analysis, the documentary paints a vivid picture of this horrific voyage. Life in bondage and resistance. Upon arrival in the Americas, enslaved individuals faced a life of brutal labor, deprivation, and dehumanization. The documentary examines the various forms of resistance and resilience among enslaved populations, from daily acts of defiance to organized rebellions. It also highlights the abolitionist movement and the eventual end of the slave trade, though the scars of this period remain deeply embedded in societies today. 4. The Rwandan Genocide, 1994. Historical context. In April 1994, the East African nation of Rwanda was plunged into a genocide that would claim the lives of approximately 8 lakh people in just 100 days. The documentary begins by exploring the historical and political context that led to this tragedy, including colonial legacies, ethnic tensions between Hutus and Tutsis, and the events leading up to the genocide. The horror unfolds. The documentary provides a day-by-day account of the genocide, highlighting the brutality and speed with which it unfolded. Personal testimonies from survivors, footage from the period, and expert analysis reveal the depth of the horror. Neighbors turned against neighbors, and entire communities were decimated as the international community largely stood by, failing to intervene. The aftermath and reconciliation. In the aftermath of the genocide, Rwanda faced the immense challenge of rebuilding and reconciling a deeply fractured society. The documentary examines efforts at justice, including the Gacaca courts and the International Criminal Tribunal for Rwanda, as well as the ongoing process of reconciliation and healing. This segment underscores the resilience of the Rwandan people and the importance of remembering such atrocities to prevent their recurrence. 5. The Holocaust, 1941 to 1945. The rise of Nazi Germany. The Holocaust, orchestrated by Adolf Hitler and the Nazi regime, remains one of the most systematic and horrific genocides in history. The documentary traces the rise of Nazi Germany, from the economic and political turmoil of the Weimar Republic to the establishment of a totalitarian state based on racial purity and anti-Semitism. The mechanisms of genocide. The documentary delves into the mechanisms of the Holocaust, from the enactment of the Nuremberg laws to the establishment of ghettos and concentration camps. It provides a detailed account of the mass deportations, the operations of extermination camps like Auschwitz, and the Einsatzgruppen death squads. Survivor testimonies and historical documents convey the scale and brutality of the genocide. Resistance and liberation. Amidst the horror, stories of resistance and survival emerge. The documentary highlights the bravery of individuals who risked their lives to save others, the uprisings in ghettos and camps, and the efforts of the Allied forces to liberate the camps. The emotional liberation scenes underscore the end of the Holocaust but also the beginning of a long and painful journey of recovery for survivors.